Hello friends, welcome to Infotainment. Well, here we'll see how to install Truecaller and how to set up it in your Android phone. So friends, to install Truecaller, you have to go to your Play Store first. I open my Play Store. Here, you have to just type in Truecaller, and once you search for it, this kind of logo would come, and this is the app that you have to install. So just press install. So it's around 48.72 MB. So it will take like some seconds to download. So as you can see, the Truecaller app has been installed. I just have to open now. So once I open, it's the Truecaller work. Get started. Once I do that, set Truecaller as your default phone app. Okay, I'll just cancel for now. You can, if you want, you can make it as default. For now, I'll cancel. Set Truecaller as a default caller ID and spam app. Okay, this also not now. Permissions. Okay, continue. Once I go that, allow Truecaller to access your contacts. Allow Truecaller to make and manage phone calls. Allow Truecaller to access your phone call logs. All allow, no problem. Then it is asking for the phone number. Okay, I'll give my phone number. So it's asking me to verify my number. So I'll press verify. Is this your correct phone number? Okay, confirm. So you can go through all these things if you want. Agree and continue, and calling to verify your number. So I am getting a call from Truecaller now. Let's see. Okay, so it's a success. The Truecaller could call me. Now create a profile. For example, you can go for Google, you can go for Facebook, or I'll just type my name here, mail ID. I continue. Almost done. Set up live caller ID by enabling draw over other apps in your system settings. Why? Okay, maybe later. And set Truecaller as your dialer. Just for now, I will not enable, but if you want, if you wish, you can enable that as well. Enable Truecaller backup. You can change this ready time later. There is a premium version to this app also. Upgrade to premium, which is nearly 5 to 9 rupees per year, which almost like $78. So you can go through all this plan. I'll go back and see. So this is my Truecaller homepage where you can see my call logs over the time. And you can scroll like this, and look, it's almost like the contacts or almost like the calls homepage of your normal Android phone. And here the thing is that you can know the number. So you have to enable Truecaller as your default caller ID app to block calls and identify the numbers. Mainly people use this app Truecaller to identify the numbers from which a call is coming to a mobile phone. So for that, you have to enable this feature of Truecaller. Then only you can know. Okay, Truecaller, no problem, set as default. So once I do that, you will be able to know the incoming call. If it is from an unknown number, it will show you some name or the person who is calling you from that unknown number directly. So friends, this is how you install and you set up your Truecaller app in your on your Android phone. So friends, that's it in this video. I hope this was quite useful. If you found this video useful, please like this video, and please do share and do subscribe to this channel Infotainment for getting more of such technical videos. So till then, see you again, see you soon. Keep watching Infotainment. Thank you.